Okay, so now it is ready. It looks good from here. It smells good. So let's see. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Wow, still the cheese is trying to melt, but it's half done. But I'm just going to turn it off, and it looks crispy. Can see. Oh, let me. Okay, see, it's crispy, and the sound of it, uh, and even this like a biscuit. It is. See, on the other side. So okay. You can see how well they are done, and they just stand alone. It's not messed up. So we just take and bite and eat them, and it goes with a cup of probably chai like this. So hope you all try. You can add something more creative and make it more tastier, but no oil, no grease, and of course little cheese I added. You can do without it also. Probably add like breadcrumbs, it will be more crispy. Okay, enjoy.